Good morning, people. So it's 6:45 in the morning. We have just arrived at the Mapsa bus stand. We managed to take an auto and we're heading towards guest house, which is Seljao.
Exit the roundabout, then turn left.
Not too far. It's about 4 to 5 kilometers from here. So we managed to
the road for 2 kilometers.
I'm sure he's charging me more, but we managed to talk to him and get us paid 280 rupees. So tune in for more. This is the view. Looks like early morning. Share the high. It's pretty cold out here. So yeah, we should be there in the next 5 minutes. We're pretty early. The scheduled time was 7:15, 7:30, but we are early.
Hi guys. After we just kept our luggage in the room, we have stepped down for a healthy and simple breakfast. We found a restaurant named Stay Longer, which serves veg and non-veg. And we have ordered for a bhurji pav and fried egg, sunny side up. This is the menu. This is how it looks. Okay. And the ambient is simple, good. It has quite a number of seating arrangements. I think the hotel guy is a fan of Amitabh. So there is a picture kept behind. There's a small grotto, and it's just around 8:45 in the morning. So here the startup is a bit slow. So I think we are the first ones to have our breakfast over here. Mario, you can show them the grotto.
So the good thing here, or what you can say, is that people here like to wake up late. That's absolutely because it's a Christmas season, and I can say hangover if I use the right word. So the mornings usually are pretty late. It's about 9-10 here, and we see a lot of vehicles moving outside, so it's getting slowly busy. But the restaurants right now, people will step out to possibly have their early morning breakfast or meals for the day. And they say a healthy morning breakfast makes a healthy start for the day. So we will continue our coverage and take you step by step to our 6-day stay in Goa. So hang on. Alright guys, so we are just done with breakfast early morning, as Anita mentioned, the same place. So while we were sitting down here, we've met Radhe, who lives in the same restaurant out here, and he provides a Goa adventure tour and travel. That's the company he goes by. I like to introduce him so that he gives you a little bit of description. I'll also share the brochure while the video is done, and also his contact details in case if you guys are there here and would like to take a tour in Goa, which includes a lot of activities. He'll pick you up, drop service, scuba diving, snorkeling, dolphin sightseeing, barbecue, fishing, buffet, a lot of things that he provides. So I'll give you a quick synopsis here. This is what it looks like, yeah, this is Radhe here. Hi Radhe.
Hi guys.
So just give a description as to what this package includes. Konkani.
Konkani. Hi guys, were doing scuba diving at Grand Island in Goa. So we are providing the pick and drop, and then breakfast and lunch, and scuba diving before pre-training is there, and then after scuba, if somebody want water sports, so we'll do water sports also, water sports package with the scuba diving combo, and many more package like Dudhsagar waterfall is there, and Grand Island only, and adventure party boats, and many boat cruise, anything where we are providing the very good price and good services over there. So anybody wants, so contact, my number is there, and सगळ्यान गोंयचे कोण मनीस येता जाले तांकां बरो करून दिता, मातशें हे करून कोण येता जाले म्हाका कॉन्टेक्ट करा बरें.
So Radhe is spent a lot of time in Goa. He's from Nepal. His hometown is Nepal, but he's here since the last 23 years is what he's told me. 13 years. I'll share his number in the description below. So please reach out to him directly, and I'll also put across the brochure that I have. And please feel free. I'm sure he'll give you a good discount as he mentioned. So reach out to him directly. Thank you.
Hi guys, motor view.
See, which he has some. Yeah, and this is Seljao here, the owner of this property.
My Mario, my good friend.
Yeah.
Karashok, Kakdila.
Now, what language was that? German or Russian? See there. So he speaks Russian as well. So I'm sure it'll be easier.
Oh.
Here is a number. I'm going to leave it in the description as well. Tour dita denga. This is a reception area. Yeah.
Okay.
This is how it looks, and this is the waiting area where you can chill, relax in the evening, and this is the overall view of the hotel. So he has a ground store, first floor and a second floor. So we are living at the second floor right now, and I'll take you around. We'll make around. So this is how we go. You take the staircase and you move ahead. I'm going on top. Hello, auntie. I'll give a tour. So as I said, we have mentioned on the second floor of the guest house. Anita's following behind. Staircase here. Lovely property, I would say. Give you an around. This is how the view is from top. There is Anita. So these are the rooms, various rooms. I'm sorry, there are people living inside. This is the first floor. The entire view of the rooms here. Pretty good. The way it's done and maintained, I would say kudos to Uncle Seljao. Moving on to the second floor, we'll take you to our room, which is kind of messy right now, but nevertheless. So here there are ample of rooms. You need to make sure that you book your rooms and come here on arrival. This is how it looks. Again, lovely. Yeah, I can see chiku trees. There are other properties here, like that one, which also provides room. So this is our room, room 302.
And this is our room number 302.
Yeah. Okay, you'll have to push it down. Push it down more. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Anita needs some help. And da-da-da-da.
Finally in our room.
Wait, give the key. Okay. So this is our room. This is how the room looks like. Sorry, yeah, it's messy right now. We just kind of unpacked our stuff here. Provides you with the AC, with the fan, Set of chairs, a teapot. This is the bed that he provided us. A small sort of a wardrobe, where you can stuff your clothes. He provides a TV, the AC. Now we'll show you the best part of this room that when Uncle Seljao sent me the pictures, and I was kind of pretty amazed with it. Okay.
A nice spacious balcony.
This is how. So you get your own private balcony here. If you see, this is the way it looks like. There are rooms on the other side. This one is not booked as yet. This is where Uncle Seljao is living. That's where he is. This is terrace, and the view from down. If you can see the reception right there. Yeah, there are a couple of people out there. So yeah, and if you enter from this side, that's the room. So hang on to more of our videos, and we'll share and put up a lot more of our journey.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Hi guys. We are moving up to Ronald's. It's a veg, non-veg restaurant with various thali combination. While moving up, we have this loo in front of us, and there is a small place like a balcony outside, around 4 tables. And here we have the entire location of this restaurant.
So what did you share with them?
The various thalis what we have. Mutton, chicken.
That you showed the menu?
Yeah, I showed them the menu.
Okay, so we are at the Ronald's restaurant, which is very, adjacent to Mapsa Depot or Mapsa Market. This is the menu that they have. Here is Anita. Okay, maybe don't show beers only. You can show food. Okay, so what they specialize is in thali. They have veg thali. They have mackerel thali. They have kingfish thali, they have shonak thali, chicken thali, mutton thali, pomfret thali. Today there is no mutton. You want to eat mutton thali, but there is no mutton thali. But Goan food, they're well known for Goan food as well. And various curries like kingfish curry, prawns curry, mackerel curry, pomfret curry, shonak curry, squid, stuffed crab, prawns, shakuti, chicken kafri. So there are a lot of stuff. And of course, they also provide beverages and alcohol as well, like beers and a couple of hard drinks. So this is what they provide too. And we will cover this up again. This is Ronald's, which is very adjacent to Mapsa Market. This is Anita here, and we'll taste the food and tell you how. Okay, so what we ordered is a veg thali, a chicken thali. It gives you chicken gravy, a cup of rice, a nice big bowl of rice, not a butter roti, a roti, tandoori roti rather, and some suka chicken, not suka, little greenish type, little bit of salad tossed around, and pickle. That's the speciality. And here is Anita enjoying good food.
We are at